y'all, it's Rene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something special. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a company that just launched called the COOL COFFEE CLIQUE. If you want to see what I got in my box, be sure to stay tuned. Before we get into the box, let's look at the packaging, okay? Look at this. Look how big this box is in reference to my head, okay? So the COOL COFFEE CLIQUE is home, okay? Home of the strong AF, but let's not forget flavorful coffee, okay? And then on top of this part of the box, it says, the COOL COFFEE CLIQUE is the only way to start your day. The first thing in the box is this cool baseball hat, okay? Yes, COOL COFFEE CLIQUE on the logo. Let me go ahead and put this on. Let me see what I look like. Let me fix my hair now. Am I cute, y'all? Am I cute? Am I styling? Am I profiling? Okay. All right, let's dig a little bit deeper. Let's see what else they got up in here, okay? Uh-oh, it's a shirt in here. Let's see what the shirt says. All right. Everyone should believe in something. I believe I will have another coffee. I know that's right. Do I look cute? Do I look cute? Do I look cute with my COOL COFFEE CLIQUE shirt? I know I do. Yes. All right, let's see what else is in the box. A K-cup to sample. Oh, y'all, look what else is in here. Oh my gosh, a journal. Oh my gosh, I love y'all. Some of y'all don't know about me. I love journals. I love to write down my thoughts, my dreams, my goals, anything I'm trying to manifest. Come on now, write it down. Let's make a plan, okay? So the front of the journal says, good ideas start with brainstorming. Great ideas start with coffee. Okay. And the pen says COOL COFFEE CLIQUE, and it has a little stylus. So if you're using a tablet, iPad, iPhone, whatever you're using, you can use this pen on all of it. They kind of thought of everything. And the cool thing is the pen actually secures the journal shut. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open this journal up. Let's see what's inside of it. Now first, wait, before we get inside, but look at the packaging though. The gold and pink, how it's adorned. It looks pretty cool. All right, COOL COFFEE CLIQUE on the inside. And look at how cool this is. Every single page has the COOL COFFEE CLIQUE logo inside. Ooh, look at this box. Ooh, do y'all see this here? Look at this. COOL COFFEE CLIQUE in this nice little box. It feels so exclusive. Ooh, I feel so important. Let me open it up. Y'all ready? Let's see. Okay, now y'all look at this. Y'all look at this. It has a mug, a top, and a spoon, okay? So it has COOL COFFEE CLIQUE on both sides of the mug. And then the mug comes with a top to keep any of your beverages warm, okay? So the heat won't escape. I love it. A golden spoon. Y'all see this? A golden spoon. Forget the silver spoon, honey. They sent a golden spoon, okay? And then looking at the top, it has this cool little divot in here so that your spoon can fit. You won't have to worry about your spoon falling out or your top falling off. Everything just is designed to work together. Yes, I love it. So a lot of you guys may or may not know I'm a doctoral student, okay? And so I wanted to be a part of the COOL COFFEE CLIQUE because I drink coffee on the regular, okay? Coffee gets me through my day, okay? Also, I want to be a part of the COOL COFFEE CLIQUE because it's just not just coffee. It's not about the coffee, okay? It's about the community. It's about the community of people that are coffee connoisseurs, okay? And the community of people that gather together to support each other's dreams, goals, and ideas, okay? Yes, so it is the community for me. It is the coffee for me. It is the whole entire brand for me, okay? It's the product. Need I say more, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this COOL COFFEE CLIQUE unboxing video, don't forget to give me some likes. Comment down below and let me know which was your favorite item. Let me know if you're gonna be going, get some of their coffees, hot chocolate, and all the other products they have available, okay? All the company's details in my description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all right? And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.